Hello friends, welcome to Crochet Connect India. If you are new to my channel, please click on subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. Today I will let you know how to make this beautiful bunny rabbit cap, which will look really cute and it also look very beautiful. So let's start, friend. First of all, we will make a slip knot. Then we will make 25 chains. You can increase or decrease the number of chains as per you require the length of the ear, but it should be in odd number. I am making total 25 chains. 3, 4, 5. After making 25 chains, we will skip first chain and from second chain onwards we will start making half double crochet in each chain. Total we will make 23 half double crochets like this. Total we will make 23. After making 23 half double crochets, in the last space we will make 6 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After making 6 half double crochet in this last space, and on this side we will start making half double crochets. On this side also we will make 23 half double crochets. Total 23. After making 23 half double crochets, on this side also we will make 2 chains and then we will flip the pattern and we will start making double crochet in each space. Total we will make 24 double crochets. Total 24. After making 24 double crochets, in next space we will make 2 double crochets, 1, 2. After that we will make 3 double crochets in next space, 1, 2, 3. In next space also 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3, and in next space 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. After that we will start making 1 double crochet in each space, that is total 24 double crochets. This ear is ready. Similarly we will make one more with white color, and in another color I am using pink color. You have to make same ear. Then we will attach pink and white color. After making these 2 color strips, now I will join them. For joining these 2, we will make chain 1 here, then we will join with the help of half double crochet. we'll join like this. With the help of from this one from this side, one from this side, and we will join with the help of half double crochet. We will join from here till here. After attaching it from all three sides, now we will attach it here like this. Half double crochet, and our ear is ready, which we will tie with the sew it with the cap later on. We will keep a little bit thread for sewing. Now I will make a cap. For making a cap, first of all we will make a magic ring. Then we will make 2 chains, and then in the magic ring we will make 12 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and total we will make 12 double crochets. After making 12 double crochets, we will attach it with the slip stitch. Then we will again make 2 chains, and after that we will make 2 double crochets in each stitch. And at the end of this row we will have total 24 double crochets. After making 24 double crochets, we will attach here with the slip stitch. Then again we will make 2 chains. In this row, in first space, we will make 1 double crochet. In second space, we will make 2 double crochets. In next space, we will make 1. Then again we will make 2. In this row, in every alternate space, we will increase a double crochet. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. At the end of this row, we will have total 36 double crochets. After making 36 double crochets, again we will attach with the slip stitch. Then we will make 2 chains. In first space, we will make 1 double crochet. Second space, we will make 1 double crochet, and in next space 2 double crochets. Next space 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochets. In this row, after making 1 double crochet, then we will increase a double crochet. End of this row we will have total 48 double crochets. After making 48 double crochets in this row, we will again make 2 chains, and then we will make 1 crochet double crochet, next space 1 double crochet, third space 1 double crochet, and in fourth space we will make 2 double crochets. So for you will notice that in second row we will make 2 double crochets, then we will 1 double crochet, and after that we will increase. In next row we will make 2 double crochets and then increase. That is 1 2 3 fourth row. In fifth row we have make 3 double crochets, single double crochets, and then increase. In next row we will make 1 2 3 and 4 double crochets in space, and then we will increase in next space. We will keep on increasing like this till we achieve the desired length. If you are making a cap for 6-month baby, your this dia, if we measure from this side to this side, should be around 4.5 inches, and if you are making for a elder kid like 6-month baby, then dia should be around 5.5 to 6 inches. So you can increase the number of circles of these double crochets as per the desired length of the dia you required. And after making the desired length, we will start the pattern. I have make total 5 rows of circles, 1 2 3 4 and 5. After making these 5 rows, we will make chain 1, and in first space we will make half double crochet. In next space we will make a slip stitch. Next space half double crochet, and in next space slip stitch, half double crochet, and then slip stitch. We will repeat the row like this only: half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch. After completing this row, we will make a slip stitch, chain 1, and now we will start making slip stitch on half double crochet and half double crochet on slip stitch. We will repeat the row like this, and in continuation in next row half double crochet over half double crochet over slip stitch and slip stitch over half double crochet. Total we will make 8 to 10 rows, or as per the your desired length of this half double crochet and slip stitch pattern. After making these 15 rows of half double crochet and slip stitch, you can increase or decrease the number of rows. I have made one row of double crochet in each stitch. After that we will make a border for a cap. So first I will make 2 chains, then double crochet, and in next space front post double crochet, normal double crochet, front post double crochet, normal double crochet, front post double crochet. This is how you have to make this row. In the last row we will make 2 chains, and then we will make double crochet over double crochet and front post double crochet over front post double crochet. After making this beautiful cap, we will attach the ears on both sides. We will take the center on both sides, and these are the ears with the leftover thread which we have attached. We will sew it here. This is how you will see ear is attached to a cap. Similarly, on second side we will attach the second ear. Our beautiful crochet cap is ready. If you like my video, please click on like button and do share it with your friends who are doing crocheting. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please click on subscribe button. Thank you.